FUJIFILM Mirrorless Camera Custom White Balance 2022. All FUJIFILM mirrorless cameras debuted during the past 10 years have a manual, custom, white balance function setting. The custom white balance setting allows you to use the custom white balance to take photos or videos with more realistic colors directly from the camera, which can greatly reduce the degree of color distortion in photos caused by automatic white balance (AWB), and save you unnecessary time, hassle and never-ending frustration of failure from the post-production. The setting of the FUJIFILM camera's custom white balance is fairly straightforward, but with all different camera models, the position of the buttons and the sequence of actions often change. Please refer to your FUJIFILM camera manual for the exact steps. Here is a detailed breakdown of the custom white balance on one of the FUJIFILM mirrorless cameras. 1. Find and press the shortcut button of White Balance WB on the fuselage. 2. Enter the submenu of WB White Balance. Move the option from Auto to Custom White Balance, and then press the Right button. 3. Enter the page of Custom WB. Point the camera lens at Raynaud Full Color Spectrum, and fill the screen with the full color spectrum image, as shown in this picture. Then put the Directivity White Balance Magic Filter DCC40 cover on the front of the lens and press the shutter button, New WB. 4. Press the OK button, again to set this custom white balance lock. Note 1. If you can't press the shutter, please switch the focus mode of the lens from Auto to Manual, and then switch back to Auto Focus after the custom white balance lock is done. Note 2. If the system displays the signal response of excessive exposure, please lower the exposure by 2 levels, make the custom white balance lock, and then return to the original exposure setting. This is followed by a demonstration action video of the FUJIFILM camera's custom white balance lock. After finish the last confirmation button, you can start taking pictures under the manual white balance operation. No matter what camera you use, please use only standard or natural photo styles to avoid unwanted color distortion. When your camera uses Directivity White Balance Magic Filter DCC 40 inches and Raynaud Full Color Spectrum to perform the manual white balance lock, if the camera exposure is correct, the captured image can be said to be a live color standard. If it is found that the photos taken have too high contrast or too bright or too rich colors, these are also the phenomenon of color distortion, and the photos and videos are not aesthetically pleasing to look at. Please make appropriate adjustments in the relevant color settings of the camera body by yourself. Raynaud Full Color Spectrum is designed to simulate the comprehensive color of the Earth. When the comprehensive color of the Earth is mixed with the ambient light in the photographic scene, the white balance magic filter is used to point the light to provide the most accurate scene environment color data to the photosensitive element. Under the setting of custom white balance, the white value of the camera's color system is accurately zeroed. When the white value of the camera is accurately zeroed, every pixel color in the captured photo can be accurately recorded and displayed. In other words, you can instantly take a photo and video with true and near-perfect colors that match the scene at the time. Such photos are not only true to color, but also noticeably clearer with better three-dimensionality of individual object shapes and textured details on object surfaces. Your camera or iPhone becomes your invaluable high-tech live visual image copier. No more photo color cast problems. Gorgeous, joyful, proud and warm moments in life will always exist and accompany you all your life. after using the DCC-40 to complete the manual white balance setting. You can use the set camera to take countless beautiful photos or videos with true and near-perfect colors within 1 hour of the nearby 10 km range. Why do we describe the effect of a color true photo as clearer, instead of sharper? Because sharpness in the camera can be adjusted arbitrarily before and after taking pictures. It is an unnatural picture quality phenomenon. In the human visual world, the clarity of the details of the content we see depends on the distance and ambient light brightness. When a photo has a color cast, the entire photo will be covered with a layer of color film, which hinders your vision and makes it impossible to see the full details of the photo content. When this layer of colored film is removed and disappeared in a photo without color cast, the details of the photo can be seen clearer, naturally, rather than the sharpness of the unnatural phenomenon. In other words, two photos with the same content at the same sharpness level, the photo without color cast can be seen more clearly. Do we make sense for you?